So this is like gonna be your first neck crack, right?
Uh-huh. I'm kind of scared.
It's okay. I've done this like 3 times. So I think I know what I'm doing a little bit.
Oh my gosh! Holy crap.
Does your shirt say Kip?
Tyler.
Oh shit, sorry.
No, it was cool though.
Yeah, it was cool.
But holy shit.
That's me. Hashtag scary but cool. You can kind of feel it
What the
opened
fudge?
up right there. Hey, 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 there's kids watching. So for the students, I'm gonna use a contact right here, around the tip. Get right on her atlas. Really get in there, right there. Lock it out,
Oh my gosh.
slide through.